Good morning to everybody. Today I want to try an experiment. On the left, we have the announcement, and on the right, my Android phone, where we'll try together the application. There is some interesting news by Google. The director of the Google Arts and Culture, Amit Sood, published an announcement related some interesting feature for an application available both Android and Apple iOS mobile phones. I am here with the Mac and the right Android, both world. We don't have any preference, just you can see how the application look like. Basically, what they did, they boosted that tool, the AI on the application, just merging arts with technology, the best of both worlds. So you can install the application, it's free, it's called Art and Culture, the one you see the last. I just tap here. Now, about privacy and the other one, the application, as you can see on the top right, work on your Google account. So it follow the Google rules for that. The application is beautiful. I really love the UI, and there are a lot of stuff. So I already in the section at the end, because the application start from here. You can have a lot of section, for example, looking at science. Here you have information. Is really massive. You can devote your entire day or life just browsing that one. Then there is also inspiring from something good to see, but is not the topic of today. Jumping back here, collection, visual arts, this one you can check later, but the update are focused on the play section, the one you see in the middle, that one here, because there are some improvement. You see here, transform your photos with AI, and here art meets AI, and here play games, music also is using the latest version of the Google models. And here, for example, we have Heart Selfie 2, where we can create our selfie powered by AI. I try with mine. I'm not a model, but let's see what happens. Just to play together. So here we ask to make a selfie. So let's make a selfie. Okay, let's do it this way. Okay, I don't know what's happened. And here you can see the different styles. Okay, beautiful. This way you can have both word. This matter. Let's try, for example, gaucho. Okay, let's try gaucho. Take some times. At the end, no, okay, it's not so good. You can share and download. Let's go back. The starting subject is not the reference model expected. Let's try another one. For example, Italian. No, okay, this one is inspiring. I'm sure you will get better result, because the original picture for sure is better than mine. Anyway, okay, let's go back. Okay, we can save, we can read more about that, and we can discover other information. It's really immersive and huge. I cannot say more. Let me go back. We have here daily gallery, and oh, there is this one in the labs, musical experiment, food, review the world, cameras. There is one for the pets. If you have a pet, mm, You can try with the yours. Let me go back to find mine. Okay, you can see what happened. Yeah, my cat is lovable. And you have different styles. Let's go back. Let's go back. Transform your photos in with AI and find your match in heart. Do another one. Okay. It's stuck. It cannot find anyone like me. I'm unique in the good and the bad. Maybe it's simple stuck. Anyway, never mind. Hope you enjoyed of this video. It's a bit funny because it's the weekend. We can take less seriously. Enjoy of the AI and remember, do that in the responsible and ethical ways. It's just our trademark. Take care.